Okay, so this I just wanted to, yeah, there we go. I'm doing these peel and stick, and then what I'm doing right now with these tiles, I'll go ahead and put one on for you. I did a video earlier about what they are and how to stick them on. Right now I'm just, see these, I got to cut these off because I'm going to start in this corner over here. You can see this corner, and what you don't want to put that in the corner. So what you're going to do is our overlap is going to go, this way, so coming in you won't be able to see it. So you just take a sharp pair of scissors and you just go along here and you just kind of follow the line and you just cut them off like this. So it's really easy. You just gotta be gentle, just follow the line, just make sure it's nice and square, the edge is nice and square. Like I said before, it says overlap here. It has two different sticking. I'm going to take this bottom off. Careful, it's really sticky. Now I'm going to turn this like this so you can see. Now, see, now I got a little bit of bump out right here. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to, see, I should have done that to be honest, but I'll figure it's about 1/4 of an inch. I'm going to take a little bit of a notch. I'm going to kind of measure that out. I'm going to take a little bit of a notch out. Just to be able to go over the top of that just a little bit. Better off starting out a little bit less than a little bit more. You can always take off more. You can't add any. You just measure it off here. Yeah, I could take off a little bit more. I'm going to do that here. It's really good to have a sharp pair of scissors. It makes it a lot better, a lot easier to do it with a sharp pair of scissors. If you have a dull pair of scissors, you will not be able to do this stick and peel stuff. Now, like I was saying, the corners are let me take off a little bit more. Your corners are not going to be very square, so it's going to be tough. You're going to have to caulk the corners, or if you want to get really inventive, you could maybe try to roll this around the corner. I would not do that because it probably look like crap, but there we go. That should do it. You want your, you'll be able to go all the way in the corner. That and flat. Oh, see, now you don't want to get stuck. Super sticky. Alright, so I'm going to do that here, and I'm going to come back and I'm going to peel this top one away. Alright, and work it up like this. Alright, so you can see I have that stuck on there like that. Alright.